So we are looking for how fast you're gonna play your piece. How fast
I don't know how many beats per minute this is, but something like this.
Okay, so which means march tempo. So march tempo, it's a walking tempo andante, probably anything between 80 beats to 100 beats per minute. So I'm gonna go to my application here. Yeah, let's do 80, right? Because 80 beats.
Okay.
So 80 beats. This is my metronome. So it has flashlight, but you can remove it. But most important that you can hear the clicks, right? So now we're gonna practice marching. Not playing the piano, marching.
Okay.
You know why we have to do it?
No.
Why do we use a metronome?
To get the whole piece to a desired tempo.
Desired tempo, okay, good. What else?
To even out the piece.
Yes, very good. So this is when we trying to play with metronome while we play the piano. Sometimes it makes it difficult because you're already thinking about many different things, right? You're thinking about your stretch and shift and right hand, left hand, pedal, like so many things, right, at the same time. And metronome sometimes creates it's being like a white noise, so you're not actually hearing it, right? Because your brain is resisting it. So let's just give it a really a practice of marching it. So I need you to get up. And can you put your metronome on piano on 80 beats per minute?
80.
Put 80.
Metronome. 80.
Okay. And then what's the time signature of our piece?
2/4, I think.
Not really, but you're close.
Is it 4/4? Oh, common time. 2/2.
2/2, yeah. So there is a two ways, right? Our working tempo is if we're just gonna treat it as a 4/4 time signature or just the cut time, right? Just the C.
Okay.
So how would you count 4/4?
1, 2,
3,
4.
4. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
4. And let's march. Let's just walk and count. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep counting. Keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So this one is kind of like easy, right? But our time signature is, you could stop metronome for now. Our time signature is cut in half, so it's 2 seconds, right? 2 halves. Right here. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay? So this is what's gonna make it us exciting march, okay? Now let's stand up and we're gonna count us 1, 2, 1, 2 with the metronome. A little bit of exercises in the morning for you. Okay.
1.
With metronome. 1, 2.
1, 2,
2. 1, 2.
1,
1,
2.
2. 1, 2.
2.
1,
1,
2.
2.
Okay, keep marching and I'm gonna play.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Does it make sense how we're gonna play
Yeah.
it? Okay, so now let's try playing it. But you can keep metronome on.
Mhm.
But did you hear that this note is gonna be a little bit more jumpy because of the
Which one?
da 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 2 1 2 and da da. So this is gonna be our 2 and 1 2 2 and da ba ba bum ba ba bum.
So something like this.
So it's gonna look like A B C. Yes. Yes, and now it started to sound like a march. We need to a little bit polish it up the transitions for going from first ending to the repeat, but the beginning was pretty strong rhythmically. So this is what we wanted to achieve.
Okay.
Okay.